everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a care package that I'm getting ready to send to my daughter, who is a senior in college. So it says, I love you some more each day. And then there are little cute little things here. And then I put a cute little paper on the bottom. So as you can imagine, this is going to be filled with some more stuff. And I have some graham crackers, and these are in little fresh packs, which I thought would be very nice. It's a little too tall, so I'm going to see about sitting it down. See how this works out. And then I also got these Pop-Tarts that are some more. That might work. And you have to have chocolate, so I got her a big old bag of Hershey's, and it has Hershey's Special Dark, Crackle, and Mr. Goodbar. Which, you know, I figure you could make she could make her s'mores with any of those, and it would be tasty. And then, of course, you need marshmallows, and I found these Stacker marshmallows, and they're flat, like ready for s'mores, and it even has how to make them either in the oven or the microwave or whatever. So I got 2 packs of those because I wasn't exactly sure how many she'd need. And then I have these chewy granola bars, and there's some more kind in there. I was going to put the box in there, but clearly that's too big, so I'm going to open it up. And I'm just going to take out the some more ones and try to stuff them in here. 1, 2, it says there's 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then there's dark chocolate chunk and peanut butter chocolate chip for another day, or another care package. There we go. And then I have a little note for her that I wrote on the back of this Best Friends. And I just said, hope you have some more fun. I love you and I'm so very proud of you, Mama. And then I said, P.S. you're adorable, because she is. Okay, so that is that. I'm going to close this up and get it in the mail to her. Yay, that's perfect. So thanks for watching. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.